Welcome back to my channel. Here's another video of a living room reset for the new month and transitioning into the next season. This one is a quick one. We did a slight redecorating, basically switching out some pillows, some throws, and just freshening up the couch. I love to maintain my couch and I do a deep clean once a month. As you saw in my last living room reset that I went in with my deep cleaner vacuum. This time I used my good old carpet cleaner. I'll leave the link of this cleaner down below if you have a white couch like me. It comes in handy when my son is spitting up or food spill on it or any stains. Like, it gets the job done when I'm not in the mood to take out the cushions and throw them in a washing machine. Next, we got to tackle the carpet. I have a living room baby. We are a living room family. Therefore, a lot goes on this carpet. As you can see, I'm finding socks, I'm finding his books, I'm just finding all sorts of things. So I'm using baking soda and spreading it throughout the carpet just for any scent or anything like that, and then I just sweep it off. I feel like it gets the carpet tidy and remove any scent that could be probably lingering on the carpet. As I said, a lot goes on in the living room with my family. Whether my husband is there or not, me and my son spend a lot of time in the living room. So I like to keep this carpet, couch, everything tidy, especially before bed. So as you can see, I'm just picking up the baking soda that I spread throughout the living room. Now I'm just fluffing up my couch before I put the pillows back on, just making them look more presentable, less flat, more symmetrical. Right now I'm feeling a lot of greens, a lot of blues. I did replace my picture frame in my living room, but I didn't have a chance to film it because my husband ended up doing it the day after. So probably in the next few videos you'll see that picture. Gorgeous photo. These pillows are like my foundational pillows. I call them my foundational pillows because I'm not switching them out. I rather just layer them every time when I start rotating my pillows, and I like to use the pillows I own. So often, every other month or so, I like to switch it out, just give the couch a brand new look, feel more fresher, more cozier, and just feel new even though it's not, okay? Mind tricks. So this is like my concept for my couch. Ever since I saw Cozy Queen set up her throw like this, I've been doing it and I love it. It's been giving a great pop of color on the couch. Really brings everything together. Now I'm just wiping my overhead light, just spraying it, collecting dust. You know, we need to make it shiny, make it fresh. Next up, I move my accent chairs differently because my child is always on the carpet. So the way I used to have it set up before, I don't set it up like this anymore. I make them face towards the couch instead of away. So since they became part of the decor more so, and people still sit on them, but like for now, how I angle them, I decided to throw a cute little throw onto that accent chair just to tie in the hutch, and just have the other chair bare and just that pillow because I have the basket of throws next to it, and I kind of, you know, do something real cute in the basket, a cute little layer, just to give it a real cute vibe, okay? Rather than just throwing it in the basket, I wanted to kind of make it, how can I put it, like, you know, like when you have the cleaners and they make like cute little, you know, shapes with your toilet paper. The same concept, but with my throws. So I am using this old-fashioned glass cleaner, and my spray bottle don't spray really, it just shoots. So even though you see me clean the mirror, it's not gonna look as clean, but I did wiped it at the end. So ignore the streaks. Went back in and did it again, but this is a closer look of how I put these two throws together. Just give it some vibrancy, you know, just something nice to look at if you were to be sitting on the couch. Now we're bringing back the coffee table, which really needs a good wipe down. Everything is on this table, so we're just using my all good and dandy all-purpose spray and just giving it a nice wipe. My setup in terms of my coffee table has not changed, other than me replacing the candles because I frequently like my candles. So other than that, it's been the same. And I'm thinking about like actually changing the books from RH and actually getting legitimate coffee tables, but I'm in the hunt of something that I like, so I still haven't stumbled on it, but when I do, I will share, okay? And now, a final review.